Hey, please subscribe. Thank you.
I appreciate it. August 30th.
August 30th?
Yep.
Bet.
Damn, they ain't got none of these. I love Clearwater Beach. All right, y'all, ain't got no money. I'm about to do a run out. Oh, I'm nervous. Y'all, damn, they ain't got no speedy line. You know what I'm saying? They ain't got no, come to Ghana, bro. In a real way, I'm going to South Africa after my fight. You know what I'm saying? I definitely got to do that, Jay. Aaron, come out to Colorado. I like Colorado, cool. It's expensive out there. But I've been to Colorado, man. Damn, I should have went right there with Badesky. I wasn't planning on grabbing all this stuff. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Yep. Yeah, it's all good.
I appreciate
In a real way. God bless you.
How's it going?
You too. In a real way. All right, y'all. Look at the grand total. I'm about to do a run out. Hold on, y'all. $20v1 income. I ain't doing no more 20v1s. That's out. I'm finna come to Philly to meet up with my aunt, you know what I'm saying? He a pro fighter. I'm finna go out there and train with Badesky. Hold on. Thought I seen something spectacular in a real way. Oh shit, did I lose my key? Oh no, I left it in the floor. Good. In a real way though. What's up with it? In a real way though, man. What? Oh, appreciate it. In a real way. What's up, brother? He said putting the coins in. Yup. I don't want none of my coins falling out. What you talking about? You know what I'm saying? All right, take it easy. Yep, August 30th. Oh, wait, yeah. Bro, don't make me block you for talking crazy in here. In a real way. Ain't the sun is sunning on your breast? Don't I look good with the sun on? The melanin hitting your breast? Oh, wait, look, hey, that's Aaron. What's happening? In a real way. In a real way. Hey, it's all love, Badesky. Yep, it's good. Yep, it's good.
What's up, man?
What's up, bro?
Get a picture with
Yeah.
you, man.
In a real way.
In a real way, man. Stay
God
safe
bless
out
you.
there,
Up
bro.
top. Hey, they love me out here, man. Yeah, I'm saying they love me out here. Oh, whiskey, y'all. People be like, Aaron, you're falling off. You're falling off, man. No, I'm not. I'm just getting started. I'm after the fight though, I'm finna be outside going crazy. In a real way though. Oh,